Have you ever dreamed of stepping back in time, wandering through the corridors of ancient castles that whisper tales of samurai and shoguns? Today, let's embark on a journey through Japan's captivating history, exploring its majestic castles and historical sites. Number 1. Himeji Castle, Himeji. Himeji Castle, also known as the White Heron Castle, for its pristine white appearance and graceful design, is a masterpiece of feudal architecture. Located in Himeji City, Hyogo Prefecture, this UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts a complex of defensive structures, intricate pathways, and strategic openings that exemplify samurai-era engineering and defensive tactics. Number 2. Matsumoto Castle, Nagano. Matsumoto Castle, situated against the backdrop of the Northern Alps in Nagano Prefecture, is one of Japan's oldest surviving castles. With its striking black exterior and elegant wooden interiors, Matsumoto Castle offers visitors a rare glimpse into the military strategies and architectural prowess of the Sengoku period. Number 3. Osaka Castle, Osaka. Osaka Castle, a symbol of power and resilience, stands proudly amidst the modern skyline of Osaka City. Originally built in the 16th century and reconstructed over the years, this castle played a pivotal role in Japan's unification under Toyotomi Hideyoshi. Its towering keep, expansive grounds, and historical artifacts provide a fascinating insight into feudal Japan. Number 4. Nijo Castle, Kyoto. Nijo Castle, located in Kyoto, served as the residence of the Tokugawa shoguns during the Edo period, renowned for its stunning architecture, including the famous nightingale floors, designed to chirp under footsteps to detect intruders. Nijo Castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that epitomizes the elegance and power of Japan's feudal rulers. Number 5. Kyoto Imperial Palace, Kyoto. The Kyoto Imperial Palace, once the residence of Japan's imperial family before the capital moved to Tokyo, offers a glimpse into the refined world of the Japanese court. Nestled in the heart of Kyoto, this architectural gem features traditional gardens, meticulously preserved halls, and historical artifacts that embody centuries of imperial history and tradition. Number 6. Todaiji Temple, Nara. Todaiji Temple, located in Nara, is home to the Great Buddha, a towering bronze statue that symbolizes the height of Japanese Buddhist artistry. Surrounded by lush greenery and tame deer, Todaiji Temple's massive wooden structure and serene atmosphere make it a must-visit for those seeking spiritual enlightenment and cultural appreciation. Number 7. Hiroshima Peace Memorial, Hiroshima. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial, commonly known as the Genbaku Dome, stands as a poignant reminder of the devastating events of World War II. Located in Hiroshima City, this UNESCO World Heritage Site serves as a symbol of peace and a solemn tribute to the victims of the atomic bombing, urging visitors to reflect on the consequences of war and the pursuit of global harmony. Number 8. Kanazawa Castle, Kanazawa. Kanazawa Castle, nestled in Kanazawa City, Ishikawa Prefecture, is renowned for its impressive stone walls and traditional castle architecture. Surrounded by meticulously maintained gardens and moats, Kanazawa Castle offers a glimpse into the cultural richness and feudal history of the Kaga domain, showcasing the elegance and strategic significance of Japanese castles. Number 9. Shuri Castle, Okinawa. Shuri Castle, located in Okinawa Prefecture, served as the royal seat of the Ryukyu Kingdom. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Shuri Castle's distinctive red color and unique architectural style reflect Okinawa's rich cultural heritage and historical importance as a center of trade and diplomacy in the Ryukyu Islands. Number 10. Kiyomizu Dera Temple, Kyoto. Kiyomizu Dera, a revered Buddhist temple perched on the hills of eastern Kyoto, offers breathtaking views of the city below. Known for its iconic wooden stage that juts out over the hillside, Kiyomizu-dera is surrounded by lush forests and seasonal foliage, making it a popular destination during cherry blossom season and autumn foliage. Embarking on a journey through Japan's castles and historical sites is not just a sightseeing adventure, but a profound exploration of the country's cultural identity and historical evolution. Each site, with its unique architecture, stories of samurai valor, imperial grandeur, and spiritual enlightenment, invites travelers to delve deep into Japan's rich past and embrace the enduring legacy of its heritage.